head.
My hair is all spiky still. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Have you not learned yet?
Here, let me...
Lick it like a cat.
Welcome back!
Welcome back! Oh, she's gonna push me away.
This is my show now.
Welcome back!
So today we are making breakfast! So, do you remember when we did that cooking video and you showed off your giant ass bread?
Giant ass biscuit sized bread, yeah? You want a giant ass biscuit? We'll make a giant ass biscuit.
Woo! Giant ass biscuit!
Giant ass biscuit!
How are we making giant ass biscuits today?
We're gonna make it in this pot.
I was gonna show it off.
Oh, we're gonna make it in this pot.
This pot.
This pot.
So we're gonna put the biscuit, we're gonna make a biscuit, and then we're gonna, what is it, excavate the center of it?
Excavate the center. Biscuit excavation 101.
And then we're gonna fill it full of delicious piping hot vegan gravy, and then some sausage.
If we stay ignorant about how many calories are in there, we're not consuming that many calories.
Yeah, they only count if you count them. And calories don't count on Sunday, so.
Yeah, calories don't count on Sundays. So, take a look at the baby surface area. A little baby's first surface area.
Baby's first kitchen. What's first? It's okay, I'm taller than you, I got this.
You're not taller than me. You're just closer than me. We still don't have measuring cups.
Yeah, we need to do something about that.
This is my measuring cup, my blender cup. Look at that. Look at that.
Did you wash your
Tightly
hands
packed
before
flour.
starting this?
I did. I washed my hands way before starting this.
How long ago? I'm a little bit concerned because you made bread literally like 2 days ago and it overflowed.
I made it too wet. We got the baking powder. Baking powder.
How much?
I'd say maybe a full teaspoon's worth.
You're putting baking soda in there?
I put baking soda in there. Baking soda. Right here. Active dry yeast.
Yeast! Activate!
I am eyeballing about a little bit more than a teaspoon. Gotta warm up the water a little bit, but not too hot, otherwise you kill the yeast. You have to activate it with warm water and a little bit of sugar. It feasts on sugar. We're gonna just put equal parts sugar. I cook like a southern grandma. No measurements necessary. And an oversized whisk for your tiny little bowl.
Whoa!
And then I'm gonna just like lightly dry it off. I'm gonna beat the devil out of it. And then I'm gonna mix this around, that way it's pretty well, established.
Usually when you do all the baking, I kind of just F off and leave you to your stuff. I never realized how much you get into your element over here.
Oh, I'll get into it. Now it's all foamy. Ew.
That looks like it's gone bad. Here, let's just throw that out.
No, my oat milk latte! We're gonna add that to it. We're gonna add a little bit of water, but not too much. Otherwise you make too wet of dough and then everything sucks. Like this freaking nightmare. It rose so much, but it just overflowed and we had a nice mess to clean up.
So is this the first official recipe for the Eyeball Recipes edition?
Eyeball Recipes edition. We're gonna have a playlist just for that.
Eyeballed recipes?
Eyeballed recipes.
I thought that would sound cute, but now it just sounds really gross.
Yeah, it sounds like a bald eyeball.
Yeah, you get what I mean though, right?
Yeah.
Because it's everything, it's just recipes that you just eyeball. You just call upon your ancestors.
Just call upon my little ancestors.
Let me do something. I want to do something. Gently.
Slowly,
A
yeah.
little trickle.
Go ahead and add a little bit more. Oh, more than that.
Hey, this is my job. More? Is it thirsty?
Yeah, go for it. So you're gonna work it until it's workable by hand.
Is it still thirsty?
No.
I need to get some more
No.
water. No! No! It looks like cookie dough. It just needs chocolate chips.
No. We're not gonna make chocolate biscuits, baby. We want gravy. You want a sweet gravy now?
Yum! Rum! Brown sugar gravy!
Rum!
You know you'd love that. Biscuits and gravy, but it's actually a dessert. It's like brown sugar gravy. Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds kind of good. You just want to keep working it until you're like, are you tired yet? And then whenever it says Please, no more. Because you don't want to overwork it. You don't want a stiff biscuit.
I'm really glad that you did it because my finger paint is chipping.
Your finger paint!
Yeah, you don't want me doing any finger stuff. Little black, toxic paint chips in there.
Yeah. It's okay, it's just pepper.
Oh god.
It's just pepper. And you see that I'm getting a little bit more resistance. That's working the gluten and building up the glutinous proteins in there.
This looks seductive. It looks perfect.
It is very seductive.
This is some like food porn right here.
Sometimes when I take extra time in the bathroom, I'm just looking at food porn. I'm like, can't wait to make some of that.
Is it ever anything that I made?
Uh-huh.
Oh, good. I'd be really offended if it was somebody else's food.
What if it's mine?
I mean, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with looking at your own food pics in the bathroom.
You are making something that's not. You are making it something it's not.
Look at my food pics. I've caught you looking up recipes from other people, strangers.
Recipes?
I love how easy this cleanup is, and it's just all done in one pot. This is perfect.
You're perfect. All right, you want to oil up the pan?
Don't make me nervous. How much? How much?
Just more than that. Part of the deliciousness is that we oil the bread too. You know, we're gonna go.
I don't want to touch it.
Get your hands up in. I don't want to get you. Let me get my hands up in there.
Are you going front hand and backhand?
Yeah, I'm doing it all. You just do this.
Ooh. Woo! Food ASMR. Nice.
Look at his little oiled folds. My oiled folds. It's gonna be quite the large biscuit.
Quite?
Quite. We're gonna let this big bad boy. Oh, wait. No, wait. No, wait. Stop. Just stay in the middle, you.
He's camera shy like me. There you go.
We're gonna let this big bad boy sit. So we're gonna put him in this. No, don't show the inside of the microwave.
Is it messy?
It's a little messy.
What did you do?
Since last night.
What did you do? Oh,
I covered up the beans with a paper towel, and it still went.
Okay, so you put the metal pot in there, and now we set it for 30 seconds?
Yeah, we're going.
Nothing I say ever rattles you. Oh my god! You're gonna give me gray hairs.
Here, you said you wanted to do something? Clean this off. Yes.
Do we make cookie dough?
Yeah.
Do we make giant cookies?
Hell fucking yeah!
Did you ever when I made a giant cookie for you?
The giant. She made me a giant ice cream sandwich cookie cake.
Ice cream sandwich cookie cake.
Ice cream sandwich cookie cake.
You were able to grab the whole thing, right?
Oh, I grabbed that whole thing. I finished half of that whole thing.
What do we do now?
Wait.
How long?
I'd say an hour, but sometimes it takes more. So in the meantime, we can make our gravy. You make the gravy.
Okay, fine.
Oh, golly. Oh, God. Ah. Straight up looks like you actually took a bite out of that.
I did. Split. That's more of that food ASMR for you.
Yeah, it is.
It's speaking to me. It's saying,
You're going to just reach your hand in there and get like in the bag of flour.
Little tiny fist activate handful.
Tiny fist activate.
That amount?
Yep. You just pop it in there.
I can't even tell if the camera's on me. I'm camera man, the cook man.
Yeah, it's on you. Where'd you put the bouillon cube? Is it the bottom one? Oh God.
Aha! How could you not find it? It was right there in front.
Yeah.
It's in the back.
You're like half your arm in there.
Yeah, it was in the back corner. And then we add one full cube, if I can get it out. I can't do this with one hand. Oh, I can do it with one hand. It looks like brown sugar. Milk?
We're gonna add milk.
You think almond milk's gonna make it taste weird? Oh no!
Stir!
Oh.
No, I've made it for you with almond milk before. Just don't. Make sure it's original, not vanilla.
Not
flavored.
vanilla. Vanilla's for the brown sugar gravy.
Yes.
And then you want me to add black pepper?
Black pepper.
Alright, just right in the middle?
Yep, just right.
Ooh. Oh, damn, that looked good. For the sausage, we're doing this sausage. Beyond breakfast sausage. What do you think about this?
I think it tastes pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Here's what they look like. Uncaged.
You looking at my hand?
It shakes as you whisk. What do these sausages taste like to you? I'll wait.
It tastes like sausage.
It tastes like
It
sausage?
tastes pretty good. Sausage log cabin.
That's what you made?
Yeah, a little sausage log cabin. I mean, it's clean. It's just, you know.
Oh no, that didn't work at all.
Damn it, woman. Let's deconstruct this Lincoln log cabin. Oh God, just want one. I just want one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Here, let's get some of that ASMR going.
It's very quiet. This is very quiet gravy.
We have a quiet gravy.
Not much sound going on. I failed at ASMR. Yeah, that's pretty big.
Lordy have mercy, child. That looks good as hell. I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of oil. I know we oiled it before. He dried out a little bit.
What is that voice you're doing?
My little granny.
That's your granny voice?
My little granny voice.
Why is it not your grandmother's voice?
Because I don't want to sound like this the whole time. Now, we got it oiled up. We're gonna bake them alive.
Oh my god. It's done?
You ready?
I'm ready. Ooh, damn.
Does it look golden brown to you?
That looks perfect.
Huh.
Put it down.
Hot.
Okay. Here's how we make it look bigger. Let's get it
Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
My man birthed this biscuit. Thank you. Now you may destroy it.
Oh my goodness, gravy.
Really?
Yes. The sausages kind of turned it a little gray, but that's okay. You want to put the lid on it?
You put a lid on it. Oh!
Oh, little gravy boat.
And then you serve it to them, and then it's like, oh!
Gravy.
This is usually where the fails happen. It just
Yeah,
slips
it's just
forward. No! We did it!
We did it.
Biscuit bowl!
It only took 2 hours. You want your biscuit gravy?
Oh my god. I get the honors of eating the lid?
You get the honors of eating the lid, and I get the rest. How is it, my love?
Pretty damn good.
I need a private minute alone with this.
I'll send you pictures. Here you go, hon. This is for you, honey, when you need this in your private moment.
Oh.
Thank you for watching. We will not have the recipe posted. It is just eyeballed, so just do what you see in the video.